Ashwini Srivastava, Joint Secretary Bapet Kerpang Yakashini, Department of Food and Public Distribution, Government of India, Ulawan Jngoh yakari Bhoi District ban pet benia yakajingsa miki marba mardi bakongsan, lengba kidukan ration hakani ke district bad Khuborjylla barok away. Ashwini ulalet Jngoh ru yaka Community Health Center ha umsau nong karai, bad ulaya mirjingmut berkinong tray. Hakabayade bakakoi kekia bat kajing yo kipat ba yaka marba mardi bakongsan hakan ikatan. Ulalet Jngoh ru yaka dukan ration ha autonom bat ulawat jing tip. Laki pat ba kiyo tikanan yaki marbam kumbalamang ke Sorkar India. Kibriyo kiba uniu opisar ulaya kendo kila ajing tip batikna baki yo testa yaki marbam nakani kadukan manu benai. Kila dawa na uniu opisar ban penrung yaka shini haka thup ki marbam ban sam lengba ki dukan ration. La penong yaka jingyalang ha paham seim community hall haka ba ulaya kendo ikipat ba bat ula kentu ki banong ki bapet ngor yaka jingsa mi ki marbam mardi bakongsan lengba ki dukan ration kanong kabayat bet bikin yo tikna manu benai. Ulaya ro eki jing tray jongki ofisar hakani ke district ula Khubor panyakran bat ki ofisar rang ba ban penrung yaka shini haka thup ki marbam ban sam lengba ki dukan ration. Kakong bala kentiurani additional deputy commissioner di Bhoi district bat ki weki ofisar rang ba klasan ran ya u Ashwini haka jinglet Jngoh jung u yaki Shillong kani ke district.
This visit is basically to review the implementation of our public distribution system. We are distributing free ration to priority household and their families, as you are aware. So here we are taking feedback from actual beneficiaries if they are getting their ration in time every month free of cost, and if there is any issue or complaint, so that we want to know from central government side. This approach is basically facilitating us to know the realities at ground level, and also we are visiting ration dukan, that fair price shops. There we are asking if they are getting food delivery, food grain delivery at time, every month, full delivery and without any charge. Since central government is sponsoring this program, central government ensure that free food grain reach to all ration dukan every month in time, and that is distributed to all eligible families in states. So far, after visiting two fair price shops and interacting with more than 50 beneficiaries, I found that almost all beneficiaries are satisfied with the distribution part. They are getting full quantity. E-POS is working and Aadhaar authentication is there. So they are satisfied. Only one demand is there, that they want sugar distribution also. That at present Meghalaya state is not participating in sugar distribution, but there is demand by a few beneficiaries. Thank you.